Hello Earthlings, good evening Middle East, good morning US of America, good evening Philippines, wherever you are. So welcome back to my channel, Doodle Goes to US Market. We are trading in the US market with the low float stocks or day trading. So, thank you very much to those who have watched our videos and subscribers. So, bear with me. I am not a good English spoken Englisher. I'm not good at English, and just bear with me. And we'll have our first stock to review. This POAS Technology Holdings. So with 8 million free float. So now trading at 408,000. So very small volume. But it goes I have increase of 25% from yesterday's closing date. So what did POAS did is he broke this this price, then move up. So let us check in the small time frame, in 30 minutes time frame. So there is a big candle. So there. So that's why after he broke this one, the POAS pump up. So but there is another here, this area need to break this 2.26. Once they break this one, there is a chance of moving up. So where does moving up? So what the good thing of POAS, there is an imbalance or gap up in this area. There is a gap between this one and this one, that one. So there is a, because it dropped down from here to there. So there might be a possibility that he might return to this area here. So but doing that, he should break first this 2.26, and we have to watch, and there's another resistance at $3, and we have also at $4. Then we have a supply here at the top at 6.5. So there is a possibility that he might liquidate that price, but when and that's the thing that we could not tell. So but let's we will watch for this one. But for me, once you have a profit, take a profit, sell, don't hold much, because these kind of stocks are those once they pop up today, the whale investor, they will look for another stock tomorrow. So normally it will take another weeks, months, years maybe to pop up this stock, but nobody knows, right? So but because of this supply here, so let us check what is the technical sell. Okay, what happened to you? So there's a buy signal. It's a buy signal. We have 2.58, 2.6 to be liquidated. 8.6 and $2, 2.05, 1 week. 2.88, there is no big, so nothing. So it will, there might be a possibility that it will, once he broke this one, because based on our the technical sell is only at 2.9, or let us say $3. So there is a possibility that this stock will fly high once he broke this area. Okay, so that is POAS. So let us check how does POAS look like today at pre-market. So POAS. So please don't forget, I am not a financial advisor. There's a big candle. I am just an OFW here in Middle East. So please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you like our content, please like, share. If you then made some comments or make some comments. So POAS is so there we have to watch this 1.8. There might be a possibility that POAS will pull back to 1.8 also based on the pre-market price. Let us check on the 6. See, we have this $3. We have to break this between 3 and 4. Then it will go back to 6 because of an imbalance here or gap up. There is a gap, so there is no too much support after the $4 and 3. So that is POAS. Next is BCG. So BCG is still with a pre-float of 3 million, very low. So now he broke this one, this 2.62, and it is pumping up. So there is a possibility also, if he broke this one, this line, so there is a chance of getting to $3. We have a supply also at $3, but there is also a chance that this one will pull back here before going up. So we have this imbalance. I mean, the supply need to be liquidated. That is the sell order. So we have, so the price might be up and down. So there might be pull back, then up, pull back, like that for BCG by na capital. So with 3 million free float. So let us check the technical sell. So we always say check the technical sell, because that is the price to be liquidated. So we have 3.5, 2.8, and 6 is the, so 2.5. So here, this one, this area, so he should break this 1, 3, and after 2, it will be 3. Then there is another sell order block, I think, somewhere out there at the top. So nothing. So there is, so there is a resistance in this area. See the price, when the price reaches here, it will pull back. So there is a possibility it will reach to this one, and it might pull back to, after reaching to this price, there is a possibility it will pull back also. So that is our BCG. So let us check BCG in Yahoo Finance. How does it look like during the pre-market? So I hope you're not bored with my so I'm just trying to explain the, so there we go. So in the pre-market, BCG is, it reached to 3.6. So there might be a possibility this one is forming a cap. So it will be a parabolic like that. So there is a possibility it will go back to 3, and it might go back again to 3.6 during today's trading hour, or as long as it holds this 2.4 BGC. So he should hold this 2.4, this line here. So now he's doing a pullback. So we have to see and watch, but once he broke this 2.8, there is no holding. It will go back to the pre-market of 3.5. There is a possibility for 3.5. That is by na BCG. So let us check. See, they are pumping. So buyers coming in. There is a volume already. So this might be a pullback. So this one, see, there is a candle already, bullish candle. So there might be a chance going up to that side. So that is AGPU. Our next is AGPU with 53 float, 53,000, very small float. So we have supply here at the above that needs to be liquidated. So there is a chance the AGPU will reach to this price in this area, at least 6, maybe even with a small float, and with, I think there's a news like that. So we have a resistance here in this area, but a small one. So before going up to this one, there might be a pullback. That one, our target for AGPU. So there's no need to check here because we have it's very near to the okay, we'll check the technical seal. See, we have 4, 7, 8. So this area here is very huge volume to be liquidated, this area. Once he broke this 5, 4, this area also, you need to break this line, this $4. So that is for AGPU. And let us check with Yahoo Finance. So today is April 1. It is not a false day, April Fool's Day anymore, because we are already fooled. So this is forming U. So there is, he should put on hold on this at a price of $3. If not, it will go back to down. So there we go. So he should hold the $3. So that is AGPU. And thank you very much for watching my videos. But still, we have 2 videos here. Nobody are watching. Thank you very much. Subscribe if you are new. Adios, mi amigos, mi amigas. Babus.